Hello friends of plus 2. Today we will study a very interesting topic of biology, that is replication of DNA. Replication of DNA is very simple. It has a very good property of autocatalytic reaction. Autocatalytic means it can make own DNA by its division, and heterocatalytic property is it can make DNA, it can make RNA or proteins. Watson and Crick gave us a semi-conservative model of DNA because the daughter DNA is hybrid, conservating at one parental polynucleotide. It means one hybrid means single DNA, one parental, and two polynucleotides separate by zipper fashion. During replication of DNA, the Watson and Crick called it semi-conservative method of replication of DNA. Semi-conservative method of replication of DNA, the daughter DNA, we get two daughter DNA. Every DNA is half old and half new. The old DNA is called template DNA and new DNA is complementary DNA. This copying mechanism is helped by a 12 enzyme unwinding of double helix like zipper fashion, like the zip. Hydrogen bond break and Y-shaped fork is formed. That is called replication fork. Third, regeneration of DNA helix is called zipper duplication. It has 6 steps. I will give you the 6th step and I will explain every step in detail. First is activation of deoxyribonucleotide. Second is recognition of initiation point. Third is unwinding of DNA molecule. Fourth is formation of DNA primer. Fifth is formation of new chain. And sixth is proofreading and DNA repair. These 6 steps explain DNA replication or DNA duplication. Number 1, activation of deoxyribonucleotides. This is DNA present in the nucleus. This is in the nucleus. This is DNA. And this helix, double helix, in the nucleus, in the nucleoplasm, there are adenosine monophosphate, guanine monophosphate, and thymidine monophosphate, and cytidine monophosphate are present. These are activated for making second chain of DNA. Number 2, recognition of the initiation point. The point from where the DNA opens is called recognition of initiation point. Initiation bubble may be formed or initiation from the initiation point. The double helix unwind opens like the zip. Two old DNA white in color are present. That is called unwinding of DNA molecule. And it is helped by enzyme helicases or topoisomerases that make a replication bubble. And next is formation of DNA primer. DNA primer is formed which makes the opposite strand. Old strand is called template and new strand is called complementary. The DNA are repaired. Adenosine gets thymidine, cytosine gets guanine. In next diagram we see the Y-shaped fork, the old strand, new strand, old strand, new strand. The old strand is called template. 2 templates and 2 complementary. These one complementary is complete and one complementary is in fragments. The complete opposite strand is called a leading strand and the broken strand has fragments called Okazaki fragments, which are jointed by enzyme DNA ligase, that is called joining enzyme. The Okazaki fragments are in 3-5 direction and the other enzyme is in 5-3 direction. Leading strand is 5-3 direction and Okazaki fragments are 3-5 direction. Then the RNA primer is formed by the RNA polymerase and that helps in the formation of the opposite strand. This is next point. And after this, new chain is formed. A new chain is formed. One DNA makes two daughter chains. Daughter chains are formed. That is called replication of DNA. In next step, as you know, proofreading. In proofreading, sometimes wrong DNA are formed. The wrong DNA is repaired by repair enzymes. Repair enzymes help, that is nucleases make repair, that is seldom, very rare. So the 6 points: proofreading, formation of new chain, formation of DNA primer, unwinding DNA, recognition and activation of deoxyribonuclease. Very interesting character of the DNA means replication of DNA is during mitosis, because in mitosis the daughter cell get half DNA. Thank you. Tomorrow we will study evidences to prove that replication of DNA is semi-conservative. It is called semi-conservative, half old, half new. Thank you.